For decades, the world of technology has operated on a fundamental principle: code. Programmers, in essence, wrote explicit instructions, line by line, telling machines exactly what to do. If you wanted a computer to sort numbers, you wrote a sorting algorithm. If you wanted it to display a website, you coded every element, every interaction. It was a world of precise rules, meticulously crafted and understood. But what if a machine could learn on its own? What if instead of dictating every single step, we could simply show it examples, and it would figure out the rules for itself? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the core magic behind machine learning, and it's fundamentally reshaping our understanding of programming. Imagine trying to program a computer to identify a cat. In traditional programming, you try to define cat with a series of rules. It has fur, for legs, whiskers, pointy ears, a tail. But what about a sphinx cat, or a cat sleeping in a strange position? Your rules quickly become complex, brittle, and incomplete. The real world is messy, and often, the rules are too intricate or intuitive to be explicitly written down by a human. This is where the machine that teaches itself comes in. Instead of us telling the computer, we show it thousands, even millions, of images, some with cats, some without. We label these images, essentially saying yes, this is a cat, or no, this is not. The machine, through complex algorithms, then starts to discern patterns within the data. The magic here is that it's not given explicit rules like a cat has pointy ears. Instead, it learns to that correlate with cat. It builds an internal model, a sophisticated representation, of what makes a cat image distinct from a non-cat image, all without a human ever writing a single if-then statement for whiskers or tails. Think of it like teaching a child versus writing an instruction manual. When you teach a child what a cat is, you don't list out every single anatomical feature and permutation. You point to various cats, say cat, and point to other animals, saying not a cat. Over time, the child develops an intuitive understanding, an internal model, that allows them to identify new, unseen cats. Machine learning algorithms operate on a very similar principle. At its heart, machine learning involves three key components: data, an algorithm, and a model. The data is the raw material, the images, text, or numbers. The algorithm is the learning process, the mathematical engine that sifts through the data. And the model is the output of that learning process, the learned representation, the knowledge that allows the machine to make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. So, the fundamental contrast is stark. Traditional programming is about: you define the problem, and you meticulously write the steps to arrive at the answer. Machine learning, however, is about: you define the problem, provide a wealth of data, and the machine discovers the underlying logic itself. This difference extends to adaptability. A traditionally programmed system is rigid. If the environment or the problem changes slightly, you often need to rewrite significant portions of the code. A machine learning model, however, can often adapt. If you give it new data, it can retrain and update its understanding, becoming more robust and accurate over time, reflecting changes in the real world. The implications of this shift are truly revolutionary. From powering personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to enabling self-driving cars to diagnose diseases more accurately than human experts, machine learning is transforming nearly every industry. It's unlocking solutions to problems that were previously deemed too complex or impossible for traditional programming approaches. This doesn't mean the end of programmers, but rather a profound evolution in their role. Instead of being rule writers, programmers are becoming data scientists, model trainers, and system architects. Their focus shifts to curating vast datasets, selecting and tuning the right algorithms, and designing robust infrastructures to train and deploy these learning machines. It's about enabling the machine to learn, rather than hard-coding its every action. So, is this the end of programming as we know it? Not at all. It's an expansion, an evolution. We're moving beyond a world where every instruction must be human-defined, to one where systems can discover their own rules and adapt autonomously. Traditional programming remains crucial for many tasks, especially those requiring precise, deterministic logic, But machine learning offers a powerful new paradigm for tackling the ambiguous and data-rich challenges of our modern world. However, this paradigm shift isn't without its challenges. Issues like algorithmic bias, where models inadvertently learn and perpetuate prejudices present in the training data, demand careful attention. The black box nature of some complex models, making it difficult to understand a decision was made, raises questions of transparency and accountability. These are critical areas of ongoing research and development. Ultimately, the machine that teaches itself is not just a technological marvel, it's a new way of thinking about intelligence and problem solving. It promises to unlock unprecedented capabilities, allowing us to build systems that are more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of tackling the grand challenges of our time. The journey of understanding and harnessing this core magic is just beginning, and it's a future that promises boundless possibilities.